Hi, my name is Lucas. I go to Manhasset High School and I'm a rising senior. I am working on an injury preventing smart shoe for both runners and everyday people. For my first milestone, I got three force sensitive resistors working and outputting values to an OLED screen using a particle photon. As you can see, there's currently no pressure on any of the sensors, so the output is zero. When I put pressure on one, the value goes up, and so on for the other two. I can also press multiple sensors at the same time and their values will be shown. When I implement this in a shoe, I'm going to have multiple force sensors spread out in the sole of the shoe, as the force exerted on different parts of the foot is extremely important. For example, if you have bad pronation, which is when you roll your foot over too much or not enough, and there is more pressure on one of the sides of your foot, you can have all sorts of pain and injury, such as ankle pain, shin splints, and even back pain. I enjoyed setting up the particle photon and force sensors, and it was cool that I could see the values of the force sensors pop up on my particle photon app on my iPhone pretty quickly after the basic setup. The main challenge I had with the force sensors was the connecting resistor. I started with a 10K resistor, but this caused the force readings to have a max that was not high enough for what people would be generally outputting when they run. So it was obviously essentially useless. So I switched to a 660 resistor, which increased the maximum amount of force that it could take and measure accurately. And that's working really well so far. It was also challenging to set up the OLED screen, and especially with the code, I had some bugs. And at one point, I couldn't even upload new code to the Photon, and I had to essentially reset the code on the Photon to fix that. For my next milestone, I'm planning on logging the force data onto a website called ThingSpeak and creating a ThingSpeak channel, and also incorporating a gyroscope. Thank you.